So I kind of just wanted to make a video to show y'all guys how to change a PCV valve in a 2008 Ford V6 Mustang, because I don't see a video on YouTube. Super simple. To give y'all an example, when you get it, let me don't ahead put it on like it, then take it off, you know. So basically on your engine, you'll go to this side. This is how basically it be hooked up. It's easy, super easy to take off. Remember, this is the PCV valve on your Mustang. You just go here, take this part off. There's a little clip on the back of here. Move it back, pop it up. That's simple. And this one twisted counterclockwise, which is this way, like that. You twist it, and just like that, it comes off. That's simple. Then you just pull it out, and just like that, the PCV valve is came off. Kind of got oil on it, but this is the new one. You see how it sounds. And this is the old one. You see how it's just a little old. It still jiggles a little bit, but this one way different. I recommend to change these like at every 100,000 miles. It's still good. I'm just changing just because it's an old car, but I definitely recommend it. It's easy to install. Here's the process again. Just take a PCV valve, stick it in there, then twist it. Make sure you clamp it all the way on. Once you'll see it's clamped on, take this hose, like I said, put it over it. Be careful not to mess up nothing, and then just plug it back in. And just like that, it's plugged up. Appreciate y'all guys for watching the video.